Here I've got Nokia X71 and let me show you how to change ringtone on the following device. So at first let's open list of all applications, then find and select the settings, then go to the sound tab and click on phone ringtone. No matter whichever SIM it is, it works the same way. So let's pick the SIM, and now you have to come along with all of these sounds and pick the one that you like the most. So let me start with Nokia tune. And just mark the one that you like the most. It can be blue now. Then click on OK, and that's it. You've just changed the ringtone. So all you have to do is mark the ringtone that you like the most, and then go back, and it would be set up. So that would be all. This is how you can change your ringtone in your Nokia 71. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.